Hey everyone, Sony WS-1000X-M6 constantly beeping. This video explains the common causes and settings you can adjust to stop the repetitive alert sounds. Make sure you are wearing the headphones correctly. Do not cover the microphones on either ear cup with your hands, hair, or anything else. Turn off notification sound in adaptive sound control. If the battery is low, charge the headphones. Avoid using the headphones near Wi Fi routers, USB devices, or other electronics. Restart the headphones by turning them off, waiting a few seconds, and turning them back on. Why Sony WS-1000X-M6 headphones keep making the beep sound? Headphones are not worn properly, microphones are blocked by hands, hair, or accessories. Adaptive sound control is switching mode and playing notification beeps. Battery is low and warning beeps are triggered. Bluetooth signal is weak or there is wireless interference nearby. Fix one adaptive sound control notification. The adaptive sound control features adjust noise cancellation and ambient sound settings based on your activity. Example walking, sitting. Each change makes trigger a notification beep. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app, navigate to status, then go to Adaptive Sound Control, toggle off the notification tone when switching option. Fix to environmental interference. Using the headphones in area with a strong electromagnetic interference, example near Wi-Fi router, microwave can cause audio issues. Move away from potential sources of interference. Ensure a stable Bluetooth connection by keeping the headphones close to the connected devices. Fix 3. Remove and rewear the headphones properly. Wearing them properly ensures optimal sensor detection and sound sealing for noise cancellation. Take off the headphones gently, reposition them securely over your ears, ensuring the headband sits at the top of your head. The ear cup fully cover your ears without tilting or slipping. Fix 4. Ensure microphones are not blocked. Blocking the microphones interferes with ambient sound detection and ANC tuning, which may cause beeping or loss of effectiveness. Locate the small microphone opening marked A on the left and right ear cup. Make sure these mics are not covered by your hands while adjusting the headphones, not blocked by hairs, bennies, hoods, or accessories. Fix 5. Avoid touching the headphones during noise cancelling use. Touching or covering the external mics may trigger a feedback loop producing a beep or distortion. Try not to touch or press on the outer ear cup, especially near the mic holes while active noise cancellation is engaged. Fix 6. Low battery warning. A low battery can trigger periodic beeping. As a warning, charge the headphones fully using the provided USB cable. Plug the supplied USB Type-C cable into the charging port on the headphones. Connect the other end of the cable to a USB AC adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Unplug the USB Type-C cable from the headphones and the adapter. The orange indicator light on the headphones will turn on to show that charging has started. Wait about 3 to 5 hours for the battery to fully charge. When charging is complete, the orange light will turn off automatically. Fix 8. Reset headset. Resetting your Sony WS-1000X-M6 headset can help resolve fast battery drain issues by clearing temporary software glitches or misconfiguration that affect power management. Use the supplied USB Type-C cable and connect it to a USB AC adapter plugged into a power outlet. The headset will reset, the charging indicator will turn off briefly and then light up again. While charging, press and hold the power button and the NC or AMB button together for about 5 seconds. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.